Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation, and we have a surprise unpackaging from the New Zealand Post. Yes, indeed, a very kind subscriber who goes by the name of L. Porno, K-N-O-W, sent this along, and we're going to unpackage it. Indeed, right in front of our very eyes here. Let's see what we have here. Indeed. Wow, there's a letter here. We'll take a look at the letter first. Make sure there's nothing here. Wow. It looks like there's some personal stuff on here. So I'm going to read that off. There's actually a lot of stuff on here. And I will read that off-site because it has his name on there. But nonetheless, very kind of him, and I definitely will check that out. Thank you so much. But these are some pieces here he sent along. I guess in appreciation of the channel. Let's see here. Let's see what we've got going here. We'll unpackage this here. Undo these. Very well secured. Nice pieces. Wow, look at this. New Zealand. Ooh, it's the New Zealand silver fern, which I don't have one of these. This is kind of their staple bullion coin. And or round. Actually, that's just a round. Never mind. But I love that. The nation of New Zealand there. And I love that sort of brushed metal finish in the background there. Very nice. Aotearoria. And I'm sure that probably some of this information that he has here talks about that. But very, very cool indeed. Very nice pieces here of silver. Wow. So cool. New Zealand silver fern. There's that one. And then the next silver piece here we have is, whoa. Now look at that. That is a New Zealand 1 ounce 3/9 fine silver coin. What a spectacular, cool design that is. Oh, look at that. That is incredible. Wow. Let's see here what that thing... That might be the Silver Guardian. Yes, this is the Silver Guardian. He talks about that. He actually has information on all of these pieces here. I might go ahead and read this. This is very cool. It's a unique Maori culture and traditions. This highly crafted icon pays homage to the earth. It acknowledges our collective role in the guardianship. In collaboration with the celebrated Maori tattoo artist Tura Makini, 2 for short, the Silver Guardian features Tamo Nui Turira, the magnificent sun, on the obverse, and a Mania on the reverse. I'm not sure actually which one's which. This might be the obverse, that might be the reverse. A guardian of life in all its manifestations. The Mania is believed to be a messenger between the earthly world of mortals and the domain of the spirits. In this case, acknowledge the protection of Papatuanaku, the land, and all of her resources. Which makes sense here, because look at that swirly around there. That's very cool. Wow. And let's see. Okay, so let's see what some of these others... I'm not sure. Let's see what these are. Looks like there's some more pieces here. Okay, the stag round. Okay, yes, the stag round, which I have seen before. But that's cool. 1 troy ounce New Zealand fine silver. The unique silver bullion coin is inspired by the impressive multi-point antlered red deer stag and the rugged bush country of the Kaminawawas and the Uruis, handcrafted by artisans and mirrored finish. The front of the coin celebrates New Zealand stag's intelligence, aggressiveness, and significance. The reverse of the coin features New Zealand and the 4 stars of the Southern Cross. Yes, indeed, in proof-like condition, shining in the southern hemisphere night sky, which is really cool. Very nice. Now let's see here. Let's see if we can get the silver fern. Is one of the most iconic images used to depict New Zealand's both here and the rest of the world. The 1 ounce silver fern bullion round is a simplest symbol is instantly recognized, and the stunning medallion encompasses several facets of New Zealand's history. The silver fern is flanked by a Maori design, while the obverse, a land of the long white cloud, the English translation of New Zealand's Maori name, Aotearoa, Rower sits proudly next to the 4 stars of the Southern Cross. Star constellation seen from the southern hemisphere is represented on the New Zealand flag alongside the Union Jack. These are made by the New Zealand Mint. Very cool. That is awesome. All right. Let's see the last piece here. Oh, the last piece is the Year of the Pig 1 ounce Perth coin. Wow, so very kind of him to send that along. We all know about this coin. 2019, the final design for the Lunar Series 2, the Year of the Pig. Very, very nice. Now, as you know, these lunars, both silver and gold, have larger diameters than regular coins to really show off the design. So thank you so much, my friend. Very kind of him indeed. He sent along information describing each of these, and I just read you portions of that describing the coins. Since this personal information is on the letter here, I won't read that. But his YouTube name is P0RN0FUL, and he goes by El Porno. It's a play on words. It's ELPOORKNOW. And very kind of him to send these 4 silver pieces, one of them a coin, 3 rounds. Very kind of him indeed. That's a very nice gift. The generosity of this community is just is overwhelming, and so appreciate this. I will treasure these for sure. Such amazing, unique pieces. I've only seen this one before, but never have actually owned one. And I've never seen these 2 pieces. And this is my first lunar pig. So very kind of him indeed. Thank you so much. Very, very nice indeed. Again, thank you, and a multitude of gratitude to the rest of you for watching. And I encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.